My grandfather, my great-grandfather are professional painters. But I didn't get his DNA, so I chose science. I'm Satoshi Kawata, the founder of Nanophoton. I was a professor of applied physics. Especially, I was teaching optics, photonics, spectroscopy, and nanotechnology. I was not satisfied by just publishing papers. I got tired of publishing so many papers. But even if I found an idea, even if I proposed to publish new ideas, new results, unless it is not used by somebody else, I wasn't satisfied. So I wanted to contribute to the society community if I had gotten a new idea. So I started up a company, but I did not become the CEO or president of the company. And which is exactly the same as Professor Günther Rauking started up a company. He was also the professor. So I heard this story, so I got interested in this company, Bruker. Yes. I was always interested in micro nanotechnologies, so I invented many methods to realize super resolution beyond the limit of diffraction of the light. And I have proposed the first the method called tip-enhanced Raman spectroscopy microscopy. We excite the surface plasma polariton at the metal tip, which resonates the light spot, which is very small, like 10 to 15 nanometer. And I scan this tip in front of the sample surface, and we apply the patent and we publish papers. This is one of the reasons why I started a company so-called Nanophoton. In addition to the spectra, I like to see the image, colorful image of the molecules. But microscope doesn't give an image. You see the spectrum from one point within a focused laser beam. And to get an image, you have to scan the laser beam on the sample surface. It took extremely long time. But our microscope is based on the laser beam scanning with mirrors. So the mirrors steer the beam to get an image like a TV scanning. Also, we have a so-called line illumination to illuminate a line simultaneously to detect the spectra for all the points and move the beam so that you can get the image quickly. So this was really imaging system rather than spectrometer to detect the microscopic point. So in the beginning, I was selling our products mostly to the universities and national institutes. As I said, I wanted to contribute to this community society with our products, and I wasn't satisfied to contribute to only Japanese market. I want to sell our products worldwide, globally. So Bruker is one of the best partners for me. Bruker, as a result, has high-end Raman microscopes and high-end IR microscopes. So I really wish that our products through the Bruker will be globally well contributing to the community and society.